asking you. Now the question is like this. A product passes through three processes A, B, and C. The details of process A are as follows. Process A, that is A, this one. I'm not taking you B and C, only take the A only. So A only means input is how much? 1000 units. The input is always written as a direct material. How much direct material given here now? 1000 units. Its rate is not given, but amount is how much? 8000. Then tell me how much the rate per unit? How much rate per unit comes? 8 rupee comes. So 8 rupee is the rate per unit. Next, sundry material is 10,400. Sundry material 10,400. Then labor is 9,000. And production overhead is how much? 100% of the direct labor. Whatever your direct labor is there, it's 100% is
9,000.
Okay, 900. Sorry, 9,000. Your labor is 9,000. It's 100% means 9,000 only. Clear? Okay. Now
Yes.
you check it now. The remaining now output is how much? The first process output
900.
means transfer to next process. Next process in this problem is B. Transfer to B is how much? 900 units. Normal loss is 10%. See here, normal loss is 10%. 10% of this 1000 input, it comes 100.
100.
And rate for it is 4 rupee. If you multiply this one, what you will get? 400. Clear? Okay. Then you find that the remaining now. Remaining means which one? The rate of this one. So I think I said that my question is the A column, entire solution question is A is over. Now you check the input column total and output column total. This side is more, both side is same. This side is total same, that is 1000, and this side also what? 1000. For this question, there is no abnormal gain, abnormal loss this side or abnormal gain this side. So if it is a tally, then very simple, you find the total of this one. No need to find the cost per unit.
400.
No need to find cost per unit calculation like this. What we did in the previous problem like this? No need to find like this. Now you need to go with the accounting concept, balancing figure. The total of this one is 36,400, 36,400, and 36,400 minus this 400.
36,000.
36,000 is what actually balancing a figure.
Yeah.
Is it clear? Otherwise, you find like this, and whatever the rate comes, this rate like you multiply here these two, then you will get 36,000. But that takes the time. The best way is, if there is no abnormal loss, abnormal gain or abnormal loss, don't do that cost per unit directly. You find like this. Is it understood to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Therefore, you only there, right? No.
Rajesh, yes, sir.
Even
Yes, sir.
Raj. So I will do one thing. In the next class, I will the link is shared to you both, right? I'm not sharing next class link to the group, right? You both attend to a class because the rest of the girls are there. They are not speaking.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, this one is the column. This column is put here now. So by process B to two process. How much? 900. Its rate how much comes? You have to find like this. 36,000 divided by 900. Anyone do? I think 40. 36,000 divided by 900. How much comes rate?
40, sir.
40.
So 40 here. Then the total is how much? 36,000.
6,000.
Okay. Next you find the sundry material. Sundry material how much here? 8,000.
8,000.
Then you find the direct labor is how much? 14. 720.
720.
And production load is same. 100% of this 14,720. Then actual output given how much here? See, 680. 680 is there. Its rate you have to
Yes.
find. Then normal loss 20%. 20% of this
180. 180.
900 to 20%. So we will get how
180.
much? Sorry, 180 rate is how much here? See last column. This B column
8.
last swap rate is 8 rupee. 8 rupee. So we will get this one. So
1440.
1440.
1440. 0.
Okay. Now the question information is over. There question ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ information ಮುಗಿತು. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Immediately what you have to do is very simple. You need to use this number is over now. Now what you have to do is so you need to find now the total. Total means this one. This total is 900. Roughly this total is, you have to find 180,
860.
680. So this side example 860. If I wrote right roughly, this side is 900. Which side total is more? This side. So 900. Right here 900. Difference comes how much? 40 units.
40.
So now 40 is this side difference means what? Abnormal by abnormal
Loss.
Abnormal loss. So we need to find these two now. For that you have to find the formula. Which formula? Cost per unit. So cost per unit equal to total of this column. We find the total of this column. How much comes? 73,400
73,440.
minus
40.
this column. Which one? 1,440 normal loss amount. Whole divided by total units means input column units. How much total input? 900 input column.
Minus
Leave if it is there. Minus normal loss how much here? 180. See 180 is the normal loss. Normal loss is 180. So I think I will show you how I taken this part. So first total of this one here and total cost or total amount minus normal loss amount is this one. Divide by means whole divide by like this. Whole divide by means this number. Next 900 is the total input. Input is how much? Total 900 minus 180 is the normal loss unit because this divided by this number is units. These are the units and this entire number, these two numbers are rupees. I hope that it is clear. Rupees divided by units. So we will get this one. Now what is the rate for this? You find now
100.
here.
100, sir.
100. 100.
100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is the rate. 100 is the rate. You multiply these two now. 100 into 680 is 68,000 and 4,000.
8,000.
So you check the total of this one now. So 100 is taken here now. This is 100. This is 100. You take the 100 both side and you multiply these two and these two. You will get. I said that if your cost per unit is round, your this amount is tally. If it is tally, your right answer is correct. If it is not tally, your answer is wrong. Now I'll check the total. This one.
Tally, sir.
So your B
Sir.
correct. Now this output transfer to B process, where it is transferred actually? It is transferred to C. Now you prepare the C now. Process C. Which one? Process C. Check it now. This process C now. Right. So process C. First you have to take this one. Which one? 680 units. 100. Just post this one to this side. So 680, 168,000. So I just copied the same thing. Then you write the question now. So question is like this. Your question. See the last column. There is no input here. We'll leave it. Supplementary is 4,100. Then direct labor is how much here? 5,600.
5,600.
Then production already is 100% of labor. 100% of labor means same amount. 5,600. Finish now. You write the now output. Output of the last process transferred where? 540. Anyone tell me? What I have to
Finished
write out?
stock.
Finished stock account now. The finished stock means 540 units. We need to find the rate for this. Just wait for a while. Then normal loss is how much? Normal loss is 25% of input. So 25% of input.
Six-
Just you
680.
find.
170.
Just show you to your reference purpose. Your 680 is the input here. 680 into 25%.
170.
How much?
170.
680 into 25%.
170.
What is the rate for 170? 10 rupees there. 10 rupee.
1700.
700. Now question is over. As I did the previous problem, just you find the total of this column. 680 is there, and you check this column total 170 plus 540. 540. 700.
710.
Now you check that this total amount is more. Now your output column is more. So right, output column total here 710. Right here 710. Now this 30.
Abnormal
30
gain.
Abnormal
Normal gain.
Yes, it is abnormal gain.
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 Abnormal gain. Right? So we need to find the abnormal gain, rate and amount. Now, once again, this formula we have to use the cost per unit equal to, right? If I show you in a different way, like this. What is your cost per total amount of this one? This total
83,300.
3,000.
88,100.
Check one more.
83,300, sir.
300. 83,300 minus.
83,300.
What is your normal loss amount here? See this amount.
1700.
1,700.
Divided by your total units means don't take this one. Hello, listen, all of you. Don't take this total. This total 710 includes what? Abnormal gain. Leave the abnormal gain. 710 minus this 30 means only 680 you have to take here. 680 minus what is your normal loss? 170 minus the 170. Now anyone do this one? Find 83,300 minus 1,700 was 81,600 divided by 510. Is it 160?
160.
160.
160.
160.
So 160 is the rate. So now listen. Now this rate comes to a round figure, not a fraction. Is it clear? If the value is like this round figure,
Yes,
you
sir.
write the 60 here and 160 here, multiply, and this column total, as I said, this column total is tally. I will show you. 160 into 30. Do it into 30. 4,800.
4,800.
Do the same. So 160 into 550. How much?
86,400.
86,400.
86,400.
86,400.
Now you find the total of this column 88,100 and this column total. If it is not equal, what we
88
did?
watt.
So both sides is perfectly same. Am I clear to everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear to everyone who solve the question? Okay, I think two are the participants, so it's no problem. Okay, I think it is clear now. In the previous question, I think I shown you that the abnormal
sir.
loss how to get, right? Now I will show you how to find the abnormal gain now. Right? How to find the abnormal loss and abnormal gain.
Yes.
We use the same copy. I'll copy the same one now. I will show you how to find the abnormal loss and abnormal both. Not this one. Okay, here it is there. You just check I will delete all this part. Now tell me in which process the loss comes for this question?
Process
Anyone
B.
tell me? A, B, C, three processes are there. In three processes, which process is having a loss, abnormal loss? Hello?
B, sir.
Process B, sir.
B, sir.
And my question, I think I will repeat it once again. In which process you will get the loss, abnormal loss? A, B, and C. Out of three, I think we have the only loss for
A,
I will
B.
show you. C.
Process B, sir.
A.
Is not
Process B, sir.
right. Very good. Now in process
Okay.
B, which one is there? Abnormal loss is there.
No.
Process C, abnormal gain is
Gain.
there.
Gain.
So I will now this posting this side, abnormal loss to process B, abnormal loss to process B,
Process.
process B account, right? What is the rate?
Yes.
Units 100. 100 rupee rate 4,000. Now anyone tell me what I have to write here? This side by
By bank.
Bank
By
account.
bank.
By bank.
right? So for units how much? Same. Keep the same units 40. So tell me what I have to take the rate.
8.
I think I said that
8 rupees. Sir.
which process you are preparing abnormal loss, that process is scrap value, that process normal loss. See the question, this was the B. Rate is how much?
8.
8.
8.
8.
I think this was the rate. 8 rupees there. So this rate you have to take here, 8 rupees. So multiply these two, 320, correct?
Yes.
Now, process C is not having abnormal loss. If it is there, abnormal loss, right? Once again, to process C, if it is there, process C nu sah loss ittandre adnu bari. Process C le ittando mundu. To process C anta baradu rate amount bari. Once again, buy bank, then rate, same this rate. But it is in this question, there is no loss in process C. Now close the account. Close the account means 40. No need to find the total unit column. 4,000. Then 40 units. 4,000 total. Then this side you have to write by. Anyone tell me what I have to write? Just to remember. Anyone tell me what I have to write the balance?
Balance.
By this only amount column. Amount column means 2,600. Sorry, 3,600. What I have to write? I think I said that abnormal loss or abnormal gain transferred where? I think all your
Balance.
costing, profit and loss account. Remember where it is transferred? Costing,
Cost.
profit and loss,
loss.
balancing figure.
Yeah. Profit and loss.
Is it clear to everyone? So always abnormal loss.
Yes, sir.
It is clear to everyone. You have to find like this, and whatever the difference comes in the abnormal loss account or abnormal gain account, you have to transfer that one to costing, profit and loss account. Clear? This was your abnormal
Profit
loss.
and loss.
Now I will show you how to find the abnormal, which one? Gain. So this one is now same. I will keep the same. Now this one is abnormal gain.
Gain account.
So see, abnormal gain. Process C to abnormal gain. Abnormal gain created by process.
By process B account.
Keep the same figure. 30, 160, 4,800. 30, 160, 4,800. Now you have to write this side down. Exactly the opposite. These two comes opposite here now. To bank, 30 units. Now what is the rate for this?
10.
10 here.
10.
10 rupees there. So keep the same 10 rupees
sir.
there.
300.
So 300. Good. Now find the total now. 30. No need to find the rate column always. So 30. 4,800. What? 4,500. It is transferred again. You need to transfer the costing, profit and loss. Is it clear to everyone how to solve the abnormal
Yes, sir.
loss or abnormal gain? If it is in all, I will repeat it once again. If it is in all the process, if it is loss, is there? I think I shown already this side. In this question, process 1, process 2, and process 3, all process loss So I think I shown the all process loss here. And remember that if all process loss are there, no need to find separately for process 1 abnormal loss account separate, process 2 separate abnormal loss account, not like that. All process losses are to be taken abnormal loss only once. ಹೇಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಮೂರು process separate ಆಗಿ calculate ಮಾಡ ಎಲ್ಲಾ process ಕೂಡ ಒಂದಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Is it clear to everyone? Why it is not
Yes, sir.
prepared? Because we are preparing the profit and loss account in financial accounting. We are preparing the cost and profit and loss account in cost accounting as a cost sheet. It is prepared only once, right? So profit and loss account prepared once in a year, not it is based on objective base. So always this abnormal loss account prepared once for all the processes. If it is 100 processes are there, all 100 process loss taken into one account, that is abnormal loss. Like that, abnormal gain. If in this question, if the process B and process C both are abnormal gain, now you write the example by process B, write the information, by process C example, information here, and take the total, write the two bank for both the separately, you have to write the two bank, because rates are different for both the process abnormal gain, and only one time you have to transfer the profit and loss account. Which profit and loss account? Costing profit and loss account. I hope that this question is clear to everyone. Shall I
Yes,
think
sir.
like that? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Disturbance for you, why sir? The PPT, right? Means the screen. Everything is perfect, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is no the voice break or screen is blinking.
No, sir.
Okay, good, very good.
No, sir.
Shall I take the one more question, last question on the process?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, this one is I think 2017. I think I don't know 2017 or 18. Just I will solve the question. So this was your question. Now you tell me, then I will write the answers one by one, right? I will ask the question, then you
Okay, sir.
answer. Where to write the figures? Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A product is obtained after it passes through three distinct processes. You are required to prepare process accounts from the following information for the month of April 2017. Right? Sundry materials, wages, production overhead, actual output, normal loss, scrap sold, and always you have to read like the question. Entire question we have to read first once. Then 1000 units at 20 rupees per unit were introduced to process A. Now tell me where to write this 1000 units and 20 in this process A.
Process A.
In this process A. Tell me where to write this 1000 units and 20 in process A.
In process, yes, sir. First, debtor side.
To input, sir.
Which side? What I have to write this one? This
1000
always
units.
the introduced part is the direct material.
1000.
Normally, direct materials are introduced 1000
Yes.
to 20.
1000 into 20.
Correct.
20,000 in upper
Okay.
column.
1000. Now your sundry material is how much? 6176. Wages. Wages means I think I written here labor. Both wages are labor are same. 10,000.
Yes.
Then production overhead is how much? 5,000. Now you
5,000.
tell me.
5,000.
Now where I should write this 920? Actual output.
Credit side,
Output column.
process account 2.
What I have to write?
Output
Process
column.
920.
920.
You tell me first name. What I should write here? Process.
Normal.
By process account 2.
Process. Think and answer me. The first process output output where?
Process B.
And what I should write here now?
Process B account, sir.
Process
Process B.
Process B.
A in output ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ B ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So number of units 920. Correct? Ability is normal loss 10% ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
100. 100. 100.
100.
8
3.
ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟ್ ಇದಾಗದಲ್ಲ 3
3.
300.
300.
Now tell me, in this question, process A, abnormal loss or abnormal gain comes. Abnormal loss ಬರುತ್ತಾ abnormal gain ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Think ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಗೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
Next, anyone?
ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೇನ್.
Gain, sir.
Gain, sir.
Abnormal gain. Why abnormal
Gain.
gain? This side 1020.
1020, 1000.
So this side is more. So we should take the 1000, this one, 1020. And 1020. Total is 2. Abnormal gain.
Gain.
How much units? 20. Now tell me this rate, both side rate. Cost per unit find ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋಣ ನಿಮಗೆ. Cost per unit, quick.
31,700 minus 300 divided by 900. 46. 46.
Just all of you did
46.
46 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
correct ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? Otherwise, shall I show? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Clear.
Clear ಅಲ್ಲ?
Understood.
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. 46 and multiply these two. 46 into 20, so you will get
920.
Then check the total of.
920.
Then here also 46 you have to write. So 920 into 46, you will get
42, 320.
and take the total, both side total must be same. If it is same, then only right. Out right wrong.
42, 320.
Is it the same? Wrongly written here. 42,
320.
both side.
Yes, sir. Tally.
Is it clear? Both done.
Yes,
So the
sir.
process is clear. Now move to the process B. First you have to write this transfer here now. Process C. Process B to process C. How much? 920. 46 rate.
46.
46.
320.
42,320.
Now you write the process B information. Process B materials,
4,000.
labor.
4,000.
6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
3,000.
What should I write?
Process.
870. Output of process B, where it is transferred.
C. Process C.
So right here, process C. 870 units.
8.
You need to find the rate. Now tell me normal loss 5%. How much it comes? 5% here.
46.
46. How it 920 into 5%. 46.
Yes, sir.
920 here
Six.
are 920 5%. Right. So 920. For your reference purpose, I think I written here now 5%. What is the rate for this? 5. Tell me.
230.
46 into 5, 230.
230.
Tell me now the abnormal loss or abnormal gain. Check now. Which side more and which side is less? Abnormal loss for the abnormal gains for the madri.
Abnormal loss, sir.
Loss.
4.
Loss. Abnormal loss.
920, 916 is that?
4 units.
920. So we'll get the 4 units as an abnormal loss now. So by abnormal
sir.
loss. Abnormal loss. Cost per unit of again. Do it fast. Cost per unit.
63.03
Just,
20.
$55, 320 minus 230 divided by 920 minus 46. Yeah.
How much?
63.03.
0.
3.03, correct?
63.03.
03, sir.
0.03. Now it is fraction. So you need to adjust now like this. 63 here. 60. First you are writing abnormal loss. 63.03. Multiply these two. 4 into this one. 63.03 into 4. So we'll get
254.
252.12, correct? Check it. Check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
252.12, sir.
I left it to 1.12. Now, if the fractions like this, you need to do like this. Just observe me how I adjusting the fractions. Take the total of first this one. Then first total ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So keep the same figure here, 55,320. Now what I did now? Keep the same 63.03 is 3.03, but don't multiply these two. Right? Don't multiply these two because if you multiply these two, whatever the value comes, this comes and it's totally not same. If it is a question fraction, you write like this, then this one minus these two, whatever value comes, write it here. Like this example, 55,320, this total minus 230 minus 252. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
54,838. Yes, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the fraction comes, you do like this. There is no other way. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
move to C. This one transfer to here now. So process C to process B, process C to process B, 870 and 63.03, value is 54,838.
836.
Now sundry materials here in the question 6,000. Then labor wages
8,000.
8. Then next is
4,000.
4,000. Finish. Normal loss is our output is how much? 775. Last process output where it is transferred?
Finished stock.
Finished stock.
775. The normal loss is 10% of this 870
87.
to 10%.
87.
So it was 87.
7.
8 is how much we are given? 6.
870.
By these two.
522.
522.
522.
Abnormal loss or abnormal gain?
Yes, sir.
I hope that it it comes to you. Abnormal loss only.
Loss.
Right? Abnormal loss.
5. Loss.
5
units. 8
units.
Okay, 870.
8 units, sir.
870 total highest here.
8.
Here 8 units. That is
Abnormal 8
normal,
units.
8 units.
normal loss. Now we need to find the cost per unit. Do it first. Cost per unit ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಗ.
To find 751. 92.36.
See, if I am saying how much?
92.36.
36. Is it correct, everyone?
36, sir.
Is it correct?
8, sir.
Okay. Write it here now. As that saying 0.36 into 8. Do it around.
735.
7 right?
735.
Just check it once.
738.88.
So I rounded that one. Then you will check the total. This side is 72,838. Now this one minus these two. Do it. Really, we have to less total amount.
22, 838 minus 731. 71577.
This fraction is same rate per.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me anyone if any doubts are there.
No, sir.
Okay, is it the question is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, if you understood the process costing, I will leave this kind of questions. I'm saying this kind of questions. Still process costing is there. This is one kind of questions. If this kind of question is clear to you, then I will go to the another question, another type of in the process account only in the next class.
Sir. It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, your audio, your mic, just you mute your mic. I will put on some questions to you. Just think and answer me. In process costing, there are two type of questions comes to you. This was a one type of questions. One more type is byproduct and joint product. It is there in the question paper. You will get the two questions in the question papers from process costing. This was one kind. Another type of question is there. That is joint product, the joint product or byproduct, like that. If this kind of question is clear to each one of you means, then I will go to the second type of question. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone these questions?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
From tomorrow means in tomorrow class, shall I go for another type of question that is based on joint and byproduct?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now do one thing.
Okay,
If you
sir.
have, okay, listen me. If you have the question in textbooks, in the textbooks,